Hey friends, do you need to capture a screenshot? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Snipping Tool to easily take screenshots on your computer. First, open the Start menu on Windows 10, then type Snipping Tool in the search bar and click on the result to open the tool. Once the tool is open, you can choose the type of screenshot you want to take. Click on New at the top and select from the following options. Choose the type that fits your needs, then select the part of the screen you want to capture. After capturing the screenshot, it will appear in a small window. You can edit it using simple tools like pen or eraser. Once done, click on File and then choose Save, as to save the screenshot to your device. If you want to share the screenshot immediately, you can copy it using Ctrl+C and paste it into any application like email or chat software. And that's how you use the Snipping Tool to capture screenshots with ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips.